In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a plant inspection request. Just go to On-Ramp and on the search ribbon, type Materials Lab, and hit the search magnifier button. Choose D12 Materials Lab link. Scroll down to Plant Inspection tab, and click on it. Now, click on Download Plant Inspection Request Form link. This will download the most recent version of the Plant Inspection Request PDF file in a cabinet folder. Now, go to your Downloads folder and locate the zip folder that you just downloaded. Open the cabinet folder. Right-click on the PDF file. Copy it in your desktop or any destination location that you want this file to be located on your device. Paste it there. Now your request file is ready to fill out. Open the file. Start by entering today's date and the contract number. In this example, we are going to request 2,000 tons of 3/4 inch HMAG asphalt concrete from an example plant. After filling out all the required fields, select the hot mix asphalt option and fill out all the required fields. All required fields are marked in red. Once you're done with all the required fields, click on the Submit button to submit your request. This will open the warning window that will ask you if you are sure to submit your form. If you click No, the system will allow you to edit the request furthermore. Once you're satisfied with all the required fields that you have entered, click on the Submit button to submit your request. Only for the first time that you are using this PDF form, the system will ask you to choose your default email application. For your own convenience, click on Remember My Choice, then click Continue. This will open your Outlook email and automatically attaches your request to the email that is now ready to be routed to us. Add any additional people that you wish to be on the email's loop in the CC field. Please note, if you are a contractor, please enter resident engineer's email. The RE is responsible to check contractors' requests before sending them to D12 Materials Lab. Then click Send. If you want to cancel your request, simply open it from your device. Click on Cancel My Request and click Submit. On behalf of the D12 Materials Lab team, we thank you for your attention and want to assure you that we are here to serve you with all your valuable requests in the most accurate, professional, and efficient manner.